Warm greeting to all dear students on behalf of Rajeshwari Bhatt. We, the Maths Department of MRT and MSV Science College, which is run through Sardar Patel Institute of Education, welcome you with heart full of best wishes. Today we are going to solve the equation whose roots are in arithmetic progression, that is AP, which is the subtopic of Unit 1 in BSc Semester 5's Mathematics paper number 505. Before that, let's have a short overview about roots and coefficient. What is root? Roots are basically the values of x that satisfy the given equation. First of all, I write standard form of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0 and we know that number of roots is equal to degree of equation. So for quadratic equation there are two roots. If alpha and beta roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then sum of the roots, that is alpha plus beta, is equal to minus b by a, and product of the roots, that is alpha beta, is equal to c by a, where a, b and c are coefficients. For cubic equation, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0 and number of roots is equal to degree of equation, therefore there are three roots. If alpha, beta and gamma are roots of ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0, then sum of the roots, that is alpha plus beta plus gamma, is equal to minus b by a. Product of the roots, that is alpha beta gamma, is equal to minus d by a, and sum of product of the roots, that is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma, is equal to c by a. In formula we take three different roots as alpha, beta and gamma, but if there is a relation like arithmetic progression, geometric progression, harmonic progression, ratio, difference, etc., we take only two unknowns as alpha and beta. If we have given that roots are in arithmetic progression, then assume that the roots are alpha minus beta, comma alpha and alpha plus beta. We know that 1, 2 and 3 is arithmetic progression and it is also written as 2 minus 1, comma 2 and 2 plus 1. If we take alpha as 2 and beta as 1, then it is alpha minus beta, comma alpha and alpha plus beta. Let's solve some examples. Example, solve the equation x cube minus 9x square plus 26x minus 24 is equal to 0, given that the roots are in AP. And answer is, here roots are in AP, therefore suppose the roots are alpha minus beta, comma alpha and alpha plus beta, say equation 1. Now we have given that x cube minus 9x square plus 26x minus 24 is equal to 0. So comparing given equation by ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0, we have the values of a, b, c and d. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 9, c is equal to 26 and d is equal to minus 24. Now we have formulas. First is sum of the roots. So alpha minus beta plus alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. There is plus beta and minus beta and 3 times alpha, therefore 3 alpha is equal to minus 9 by 1. So 3 alpha is equal to 9, hence alpha is equal to 9 by 3, so we get alpha is equal to 3, say equation number 2. Next formula, product of the roots. So alpha minus beta into alpha plus beta is equal to minus d by a, implies alpha into alpha square minus beta square is equal to minus 24 upon 1. We have two unknowns alpha and beta and we have three equations, so we can choose any of two equations. Here I choose equation 2. Now substituting the value of alpha is equal to 3 in this equation, we get 3 into 3 raised to 2 minus beta square is equal to 24 implies 9 minus beta square is equal to 24 by 3 implies 9 minus beta square is equal to 8. So we get 9 minus 8 is equal to beta square. So beta square is equal to 1. So we get beta as plus or minus 1. If beta is equal to 1, then from equation number 1 we have 3 minus 1 comma 3 comma 3 plus 1. Therefore the answer is 2, 3 and 4. Thank you for watching this video.